Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see few more cases for date formats.
As you can see in column B, the dates are mentioned in the format month dash date. You can also see in the formula bar that it's an actual date format. So to get the format date dash month, what we will do, we'll select the entire data in column B and we'll place it in column C so that we can see the change. Now we'll select the entire data in column C and press Ctrl 1. In the number tab and in the custom category, we'll change the type to the format that we need, which is date dash month. You can also see in the sample, it's similar to the format that we have in column F. Now we'll press on OK and you can see that we have the correct formats. Let's see one more example. The data in column H and column B seems to be same at first instance, but no, it's different. The data in column B, firstly, it's a date format, and the numbers at the right seems more to be the dates, not the month, not the year, but the dates. However, in column H, firstly, it's not a date format, it's a text format, and the numbers at the right seems to be year, and the data in the cell could be the year or the date. So how do we get this format out of this text? So what we'll do, we'll first select the entire data and we'll press Ctrl 1. In the number tab in the custom category, we'll change the type to the format that we already have, that is month dash year, and we'll press on OK. Now in the I column, what we'll do, we'll use the formula date value and we'll select the text from column H. We'll drag it to the last row. We'll value paste our formula. And now you can see in the formula bar that we have the date formats. It has taken 1 as the default date, 4 is our month, and 1984 is our year. Let's see one more example for date formats. In column D, you can see there are some numbers. But if you'll focus on these numbers carefully, it seems like first two digits are the dates, second two digits are the month, and the last four digits are the year. So we'll fetch our month, date, and year from this data, the date, the month, and the year. So for that we'll use left formula to get our date from this text, and the number of characters would be 2. For month we need the middle value, so we'll use the formula is equals to mid from this text starting from third number, and the number of characters would be 2. For year, we need rightmost 4 digits. So we'll use the formula right from this text, and the number of characters would be 4. We'll drag this formula to the last row. We'll value paste our formula. And here we'll use the formula date. Year would be G column. Month would be F column. And the day would be E column. We'll drag it to the last row. We'll value paste our formula. And now you'll see that we have the correct formats. We'll delete all these extra columns. And here we have the correct date formats. Thank you for watching and follow me for more.